So when you build it in Word, and again, you put your long resume, USA Jobs gives you 5 slots for resumes. The first one should be your long one that you just use. That's the easiest way to do it. The challenge is, it's on there, and if you need it off, you can't get it off except into a PDF. So what I always do is create a Word document with the same fields, okay? And when I help somebody and they say, hey, I'm going to apply to the Treasury, and I go, what vacancy? And you say, that vacancy. I go in and I do the recon. I go all the way in to go through the entire process to figure out all the forms I need to fill out, all the questions I need to answer, right? Everything. And I even click submit to see what happens. I mean, I'm not going to get hired, obviously. I don't put anything in as a resume, but I go through the whole process to recon. All right? That's what I would recommend you do. Is it fair? Is it not? It's not a fair game. My recommendation, and I do this if I'm applying to a job that I'm unfamiliar with, is I will create another email. And I will go on to USA Jobs and sign into using another email address. I will go and I will act as if I'm applying for that job just to recon what is it that I'm supposed to expect. And then I copy and paste everything into my Word document and then answer everything in the Word document so I'm prepared. What you want to do is make sure that your Word document, resume, is ready. If you look at, the problem is this, is you put your resume, you fill out the time, okay, DIA, you're going to apply for a job in DIA. Right. You go on USA Jobs and you spend hours putting your resume together in USA Jobs. Okay. And it refers you to the DIA website and tells you you can only upload their resume. Okay. But look, put it in, I mean, it's frustrating. And my recommendation is to always put it into a Word document like this, in that format, and then you can use it anywhere. You could use it for the CIA one too. Okay, but you always have a Word document, and this is your long one. And I tell you why. Because if you upload a resume, like the one you have in front of you, like this one here,
right?
If you look at this, most resumes will not have this hours per week. Okay, but you have to have it. In the job vacancies, the announcement will say you must, or else your resume will be disqualified. Does your civilian resume that you upload have it? If it doesn't, first one.